3, 2, 1.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching this video. Welcome to Money Coin Apps and Airdrop. My name is Desmond. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to earn SEF finance token using your mobile phone. The first thing, I'll be dropping the link below this video, which will direct you to this page, which is currently showing on my phone. Now, the only thing you have to do when it's open, you just have to put your information here. You put your username, you put your email, you put your name, your login password, confirm password. Now here's the sponsor which you are going to see. It is important, so they want to know if you are a human or a robot. And if you also use my sponsor link, you tend to earn bonus from using my link. So I encourage you to register using my link. Now the next thing you do, you have to accept the terms and condition, which is already ticked. Then the next thing you do, you answer this captcha question. You put the question here and you click on sign up. So let me do that shortly. So after putting my information, the next thing I'll do, I'll click on sign up. Please check your email for complete registration. So I will check my email, and the message I received, I'll verify it from there. Now this is the message I've received in my email, SEF Finance. I'll click on it. Now it says to complete the account registration process at SEF Finance, please click on the following link. Click on this link to verify. Now I will sign in with my information. Now after I enter my username and password, I'll click on sign in. Success. Now the next thing, it brings me to the interface. Now you can see I have registered. Below you can see SEF Finance symbol, SEF decimal 8 chain. The chain is Binance Smart Chain. Then the total supply is 450 million SEF Finance token. Now there's a smart contract address. Okay, that's a nice one. Now these are partners we have below. So the next thing I'll do, I'll click on pool. I'll click on pool. Now when I click on pool, it shows me no data to display. So I'll click on this place, this AMA. Please visit SEF Finance app. Then it will bring me to this page. Now the next thing I'll do, I can either download it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, but because I'm using Android, I'll click on Google Play Store. Now when I click on download, it brings me to this page. The next thing I'll do, I'll come to this place, install app. I'll click on the drop down. Now it says in progress. I'll click on download. It says file might be harmful, download anyway. I'll click on download. Now let me open the app I have downloaded, install. So I'll click on this. Now the next thing I'll do, I'll enter my information which I used to register my username and password. After which I've entered my password, I'll click on sign in. Now it brings me back to the app interface. Now the next thing I'll do, I'll come to pool. I'll click on pool. Now I'll click on this AMA again. This place you are seeing AMA. I'll click on it. It says success. Now I have started mining. It's start counting. You can see the counting from here. Now the next thing I'll do, I'll come to the home page. This is the home. Now you have to be clicking it every 24 hours. That means you have to ensure you come every 24 hours. Now if you want to refer your friends, you simply come to the menu below. You have share. Now when you click on share, you copy this link here. This link, you copy it and share to your friends and loved ones so they can join. Now if I come to accounts, this is my accounts below. Here in accounts we have deposits and withdraw, but that is not active currently because it's still on the mining process, so you can't withdraw. If I click on team, I can see those that I've referred. So I haven't referred anyone because I just opened the app. Now if I come to referrer, those that I refer will come to referrer. Nothing yet. Now the other informations we have here is configure notification via Telegram, modify login password, modify security password, set Google Authenticator, then logouts. Now let's go to their Twitter page so we can see them on Twitter and see what they have there on Twitter. Now this is SEF Finance Twitter page. The Twitter page is active. Now the last post here was done 22 hours ago. It says, hey there, are you on the hunt for some SEF token? How many have you mined today? Share your progress in the comments below. Now let's go to their website and check on their white paper. Let's click on this link and check on their white paper. I also encourage you to follow them on Twitter so you can be getting current updates. Now it says here, if I open the website, there is a website. The interface says SEF Finance is a decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem that encompasses a range of platforms and services, including a decentralized exchange, a commercial platform. Now if I scroll further, it says our products. This is where I'm reading. Our products to eliminate doubt about fraudulent activities and risks from the community. SEF Finance has chosen not to raise capital from the community. Instead, the project is sponsored by investors and angel funds to further develop SEF Finance and bring quality community resource to the project. The executive team has to decide to allocate 60% of the project token for free distribution to the community through airdrop mining, which we are currently on. Now it says how to mine from SEF. Download the mobile app to your device and sign up for miners account. Now let's check their white paper. If you come to the website, this is where you have their white paper. Let's click on it and see what they have there on the white paper. This document aims to provide a technical summary of the vision behind the SEF Finance project and the feasibility direction it could take as the project develops. It targets various cryptocurrencies investors from average to experts who may become end user of the SEF ecosystem, and explain why the development team chose this direction for the project. It says, however, this is not a technical document. This is where I'm reading currently. It says, this is not a technical document serving as a user guide, technical specification, or any such official document, including non-core aspects of the project such as APIs, constraints, languages, and usage. The project is a large ecosystem of various services in decentralized finance DeFi and supports the circulation and payment of global goods. As the project is in its early development stage, the outline parameters in the document may change over time, but the core ideology and vision will remain unchanged unless and until the research and development team decide to introduce new feature to the ecosystem. So I'm reading here now. In this document, you will be introduced to original token of the SEF Finance ecosystem and how the token operates on different SEF Finance platforms, instead of selling the token to raise funds for the projects, the team has decided to distribute the token publicly to community through an airdrop mining process to develop the community naturally and fairly. However, holding the token does not give the owner any complete or partial ownership right over the C finance project. That means for this white paper, it means that the token can only be mined. Let's hope they keep to that, because so many mining apps, they've said that several times and they don't keep to it. So let's hope they keep to that. So guys, I encourage you to register today and use my link. If you want to be getting updates, I encourage you to follow them on Twitter, subscribe to the Twitter page, and I'm doing that now, and I have done that now, so you can as well subscribe so you can be getting updates. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I remain your friend Desmond on Moneycoin apps and airdrop. Thanks and bye for now.